where I'm supposed to have brought my trailer up at. As you can see, this is a very narrow road. I had to bobtail up here because I wasn't able to get my trailer up here. As you can see, it's bumpy as I don't know what, but I couldn't use my whole trailer. I had to bobtail up here. But look how sharp these turns are. It would have been impossible for me to get up here. I would have been calling rescue, paramedics, and all kinds of stuff to get me out of here. This is crazy. And I left my trailer at the bottom of the hill or whatever. So the guy that I'm supposed to deliver to, he just followed me back down the hill so he could pick up a couple delivery. They're very small, so that's where my trailer is at, because as you can see, there's a pole and it's very, very sharp turn, and the incline on the hill, my wheels had got stuck originally, so I just stopped and let go of my trailer right there. So there it is, right there. Drop that thing. Crazy behind place.